higher pop. It's a shades on. Let it up, man.
Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. And today, December 25, it's a Christmas day. I stop at the 42nd, and right now I'm gonna walk to the Rockefeller Center to show you guys the situation around Manhattan Rockefeller Center during the Christmas day. So starting from 42nd, I can see still a lot of people on the street, and probably it was a tourist, but I'm not gonna stop over there. So right now I walk to the Rockefeller Center, but I don't know I able to make a video over there because sometimes they're barricade the street just because today is Christmas. Still a lot of people will see that. So I'm not guaranteed, but let me try. So you can see on the street when I walk, you can see still a lot of people enjoy the holiday with their family. And also you can see on the street there's barricade on the street, maybe to get a space for the parking because they run out their parking lot. And you still can see a lot of people sell the stuff around this corner, and a lot of food truck and the garbage on the street. Hi. So I'm gonna go to this place, and I can tell you I almost there, but you can see still a lot of people walk. So it's not a good time for me to go in. Maybe I just make a video side. Before you arrive, you can see the small tree in front of the building, but it's not a Rockefeller tree. So that's not the legend Christmas tree, but it's a small one in front of the building. I'm still on the line. Like a lot of people going back. Excuse me.
Coge tu billecito de la maleta.
I don't even understand.
Mira, corre aquí. Para allá, dale.
I don't know what happened, but can see. Trees. But that's not the trees. I don't know, but it's still hard to reach that. But I still want to show you guys. I'll try.
Drink chop, $5, $5.
Well, almost there. Then you will see beautiful garden on that street.
Make sure you get the tree. नहीं आपने गलत फोन पकड़ा हुआ है अभी हाथ में मैं आपको बता दूं चलते हैं Ice skating rink तो वहाँ है, but you can get a view of the tree and the running और आपकी फोटो
Ay, vámonos por aquí.
¿Cómo te ves?
Está chiquito y la gente lo roba. Mira, aquí. Mira, Ay, Dios mío. Yo no voy a salir ni con...
So guys, so sorry, I cannot show you the Rockefeller tree clearly just because there's a lot of people on the street. It's not the right time for me to show you guys. I supposed to come like 2 days ago. Thank you for watching my video and bye bye.